This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller to Steam. So I'm going to be using my laptop to do this, but it's rather easy. Just going down to the Windows Start button, go to Settings, then go to Bluetooth on the left side, then go to Add Device. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on right here first. But let's go to Add Device, go to Bluetooth. Now go to your PS5 controller, hold down the Share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And you're going to see this light bar is going to blink now after about 10 seconds. So this is the Bluetooth pairing mode. Going over to where it says Add Device, and your PS5 controller should display on here. Just select it, and it is now connected. Now we can go back over to Steam since it's connected, and we could launch it into the big picture mode right here, and it should work right away. But we can go over to Steam, go down to Settings, and then we can go to Controller. Now when you add your controller, we should be able to see it in here. So it detects my controller, and we can go to the details and just check this out. Make sure your controller is enabled on here. So there used to be like a PS5 option or PlayStation option, and I don't see that anymore. So it just detects it right away, but we can go to Show Advanced Options under here, and we can see PlayStation controller support. We want to go to Enabled. Enabled in games without support also. So if we're trying to play games that don't have controller support, our controller is still enabled. So we can go through here, we could try enabling Steam input for generic controllers if it still doesn't work, but we got the Switch and the Xbox one down here as well. So look at the advanced options, it looks like they moved this section. And then we can go to big picture mode right here, and our controller should just start working in this. So if you want to press any button now to continue. Okay. So it's just setting up some buttons on here, and it looks like my controller is working. So I don't want to turn that off. So let's see. It's moving left and right, and my controller is now connected to Steam. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.